participate in each other's festivals. This is a uniqueness of the state, and it is for this reason that we are known for communal harmony. Communal harmony has been our brand, I would say.
Yes.
And he needs to have some apartment here. Even that laborer feels that he needs to have some cottage or hutment here because he is taken up by Goa. This is the speciality. And therefore there cannot be any illegalities or any harmfulness to any tourist.
But
even those crimes, for instance, of course, since the number of tourists is more, obviously corresponding this number would increase. But in many occasions, it is between the tourists themselves also. The foreign tourists and Indian tourists, even such things happen. But we take all care to see that the crimes against tourists are come to lowest level or they zeroed down.
I think the police needs to act a lot. Right now we have the law and order going so bad that in case of certain raids of excise where spurious liquor was found, you had a team of police from Maharashtra coming down and catching the culprit who was doing spurious liquor in Goa. That shows the inefficiency of the excise department and the police. Similar cases of law and order are happening because there are no strictures, nor the law is very strong enough to catch hold of this type of situations. It is a very sad situation that tourism, which we understand is our main economy, we are dependent on foreign tourists for our survival of our economy. And end of the day, the police are left only for collecting fines of two-wheelers, four-wheelers and charging them for helmets and other smaller crimes, wherein the bigger people who are doing this type of crimes are left scot-free. I think Delhi, it's very sad that we are in the second place. I feel this government has to undergo a drastic change in the whole setup because what is required is not coming in and what is not required is taken in by the government. Because the present government is too busy trying to decide whether the coconut is a tree or no, whether to decide whether ecotourism zones are required or no, investors coming to clear Goa are required or no. This is where their focus is. And it is not only the insecurity of foreigners, it is the insecurity of the residents of Goa also, who today feel that they are insecure, especially senior citizens, areas where the people have been taken, brutally assaulted, or the burglaries have happened. Action from the police has not been to the level what it should have been.